I was showing my sister-in-law what I've been working on the other night, and she was so impressed that she was like, why aren't you telling everybody about these? These are amazing. I'm Natalia, I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love based on their interior design personality. If you don't know what your type is, you can go ahead and take the quiz. It's linked in my bio. However, if you take the quiz and it doesn't exactly nail you, you can download the primer for free. Go through the primer, pick which type matches you best, and then you can come back and watch the videos on the different guidebooks. This is a guidebook for type 3. Each guidebook, first you're introduced to your top interior design style, and then you're exposed to the idea of sister styles. What sister styles are is taking your 3 preferences and then just changing one thing. And you're shown rooms where you change just one preference. Then you're given a list of matching interior design styles. I don't know about you, but I'm not just one interior design style. I like a bunch of different things. Then you're given images of what each of those interior design styles would look like, so you can get an idea. Do I really like this style, and do I want to pursue and Google and Pinterest these terms associated with the style? Then you're giving a list of tips on how to decorate in that particular style. And then you're given color palettes. So these are subdued colored palettes. So that's the color palette. And then rooms decorated in your style in that color palette. That way you can kind of see, do I really want this teal color in my space? Well, look at the room and you can decide for yourself. And then we talk about whether you're a minimal, a moderate, or maximal style preference, what that means. And then you're given a checklist. Oh, I love a checklist. I'm a checklist nerd. And then is the textile, plant, flooring, furniture, and fixture inspiration. You can take this book to the store with you when you're going shopping and kind of try to find things that are similar in shape to these fixtures, and that way you'll know whether or not it's going to match your type. It makes it really easy to pick things out when you have visual examples of things that would look good in your space. And everything in this is linked to actual products on Amazon. So if you really love something you see, you can actually buy that exact thing. And lastly, you're given more books that you can purchase to really get you more inspiration for your style. So if that's something you're interested in purchasing, there's a link to purchase in my Stan store in my bio. Follow along to see more of the guidebooks.